Greetings from Sentosa. Today is the last day of this very big food festival called the Sentosa Grillfest, and it's still raining a little bit. But let me just show you the vibes and the kind of food here. Look at that BBQ fire. It's 7:45 p.m. right now. Smoking Joe. Wow, it's very romantic. I see here, and photos taking spot, and then even though it's raining. Oh, look at this banana leaf stingray. Oh, and the smoke. Every store here have a BBQ and the crab so jialat. It's lonely. It's a BBQ. Wow, the smoke getting more and more and very prominent and lots of people here. They actually have BBQ inside, BBQ pit. With the smokehouse here. Buffalo wings and so much more. And there's the indoor food court, Emerald Pavilion. We check out the wall. I want to check out the marketplace right now. 26 sweet potato. 25. Why you again? And then the marketplace is, I don't know, some kind of food court. I saw a cow. The marketplace is a place where you order food and then you just eat here, you sit here and eat. And there's some sour soup and caramel latte slushy, one for $6. Let's go to the indoor food court, man. Very nice vibes. I saw couples sitting there also. On the sand itself. Wow. First impression very big. Second impression, a lot of seats and many people. Top 22 National Grill, the pork belly and stuff. Station 21, and it's a pet-friendly kind of food fair here. Thai food over here. Vicky Stewart. A nice Thai food here. Wow, very noisy, man. I can hear myself. Many people. Hey, I don't think there are seats, man. Some filet here. Alright, I'm glad the rain has stopped. Anyway, that was the International Grill at the Emerald Pavilion. 7:53 p.m. Oh, the rain actually lasted almost an hour. And the crowd is still coming in. They come out lobster Hokkien mee for $20. And then their sitting area here also. So you see them sitting here means the rain has ended because the rain will not drop on their head. Oh. What a follow us and serve with oyster. Are they giving oyster? But actually oyster is not my favorite food.
你要不要下来吃？
Other burger more.
我们买的话，
Some smoked hot dog, pineapple, beef burger. Let's check out the food. Wait. BBQ station. I'm actually going reverse direction towards the beach station because this is my second round. When I was doing the first round halfway, the heavy rain came. I had to shelter, and I waited for like 30 minutes. I went to the international food hall, and then now I'm doing reverse. Oh, there's a private pool there. And then this station 5, there's some juicy handcrafted burgers right here. Station 4. Oh my god, there are fireworks there. Only 2 seconds. And then here with Station 4, rice platters. Oh, there's the bikini mart here. And from here, if you go on the right side, right, you can reach the Siloso beach, but now it's very dark, cannot see anything. So, there are some drinks here. Large $9, jumbo 11. It's some kind of drinks. I was saying the beach tram, they don't operate, so people who walk here have to walk back. So total is about 6 kilometers, 3 kilometers come here and 3 kilometers go back. Homemade samba mata. Oh man, the fireworks is from the symphony. Wait, we just enjoy now. So there's a photo spot on the left side. Gelato ice cream on the right side. And then they're still playing the Sentosa Skyline Lounge. I thought it ended already. Now it's almost 8 p.m. So if you guys enjoyed the video, remember like, share and subscribe so more people can find the video. Thanks very much. And I'll see you guys again in the next video. Take care everyone and bye bye.